If you want to bring back that classic square look to your Instagram grid, here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, find the post you want to change. Tap and hold the photo. If you're on Android, you might need to tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of the post instead. On iPhone, the options usually pop up automatically. Next, tap on Adjust Preview. This opens a screen where you can see exactly how the image appears in your grid. From there, select the Fit option. This will crop the post back into that traditional square format, giving your grid a neat, uniform look. Once it looks the way you want, tap Done. That's it. The image should now appear as a square in your grid instead of the full size or zoomed in version. Just a heads up, Instagram doesn't currently allow you to change all your posts at once, so you'll need to adjust each post individually if you want your entire feed to match. Using the Fit option is the simplest way to restore that clean, classic aesthetic while keeping your posts looking professional and organized. Remember, this works for both old and new posts, so you can gradually bring your entire grid back to the square look without losing any content or cropping details. It's a simple trick that keeps your feed visually appealing and consistent.